This is the presidential suite at the Four Seasons, Las Vegas. I already know I'm gonna love this because of the chandelier. What a fantastic view. And how many square feet was this again?
So this is 2,225 square feet as a one bedroom, and it can be made into a 2 or 3 bedroom with connecting king rooms. So you can see just stunning views of the Las Vegas Strip.
And stunning views of the airport.
Watch the planes come in, take off.
That's a Las Vegas Sands 747 there, I think. Parked.
Oh, yeah.
But that's, wow. Amazing. Really, really, really lovely. I totally love this chandelier so much too. I don't know why. It reminds me of paper clips. Really lovely. And which way is the bedroom?
So the bedroom's in the back here. So it wraps around, so the connector would be that way.
The view, it's just amazing. Just getting this whole view is absolutely phenomenal. And the view of Luxor, it just sort of creeps up on you. That's so cool.
What's cool is the view changes from day to night. So it's pretty during the day, but at night it's just absolutely glittering. I mean, the lowest floor that we have is 35th floor. So just great views of the Las Vegas Valley as well.
And this desk area is amazing.
It's working. That's where your mind goes. Always working.
Yeah, no, but that's absolutely phenomenal. And this is into the bedroom. And walk-in closet. Bathroom is over there. Oh, and you get a stadium view from the bedroom, which is awesome. Really great lamps here too. Really lovely. And this was the presidential. Really, really nice. A really magnificent suite. I don't think you can really get much better than this in Las Vegas, and it's just so well done.